Hello everybody, we're here at Heritage Middle School to recognize our first Star of GCISD for the 25-26 school year. Come join in on the fun. Come on over, we're here to recognize you, Jeff. You are our first Star of GCISD for the 25-26 school year. So,
Oh my goodness.
how about that, huh?
Sir, what
Yeah. As I was hauling one of the heavier loads, a GCISD employee happened to see me. He stopped and asked if he could help. Knowing he had already finished a long workday, I smiled and told him no, but thanked him for the offer. He just grinned and replied, "I'm going to have to give you a hand." I could see you saying that, Joe. With another word, he jumped in and worked alongside me until every last box was loaded into the truck.
On behalf of the EECU, I want to thank you for your hard work and dedication. Obviously, your kindness doesn't want to go unrecognized. So here's $50 cash for you to spend whatever you'd
Wow.
like. Congratulations.
Thank you so
for everything
much for doing that.
You don't always have to give. Sometimes it's good to receive.
Yes, sir.
And take this gift card and don't feel like you have to share it with anybody. Come by, come visit us. Appreciate your leadership.
Yes,
and always take care of it.
Kevin, thank
so
you for
much.
being here for us. Thank you. I'd like to take this moment to say, sir, what I did, I would like to think that anyone else would have done it in my situation. And Ms. Harris, thank you so much. And of course, hey, if the opportunity presented itself again, of course we do it all over again. And sir, it's just contributing each and every day to being a team member and making GCISD the best it could possibly be. And sir, what an honor for me to be able to just make a contribution each and every day.
And that's why you're amazing. And it's going to be hard for us to top our Stars of GCISD for the rest of the year.
I'm Joe Villescaz. I'm a maintenance engineer here at Heritage Middle School, and I'm a star at GCISD.